Hi guys, it's Mel here from LW Scrapping. I'm going to do a layout for you today for Stamp It Like It's Hot for November Hop and Paper Crafters YouTube Hop, which this month is Nature November, so anything to do with being outside. And Stamp It Like It's Hot is a stamped background. So I also need just a piece of paper in case I need to go off the edge. Grief, I hope that's dry. Okay, so first of all, I need my stamps. And now I'm also doing this, not in conjunction with, but with a week 43 Scrapbook Fantasies class kit. Not the stamps are mine. But everything I will be using is their papers, their embellishments, their chipboard, their paint that I get from them. Please tell me that was dry. Yes, it was. Just got excess paint all over me. So I'm going to use my little mushroom. I'm going to use a little butterfly. I think I'll use a little butterfly. I was going to use a leaf. There's a leaf. That leaf will do. We'll swap them over when we need to. I think that's all I was going to use. I think we do have two different butterflies. We could use one that's half like that. And that will tie into some of our papers. Right, so let's pop these up here. Let's get our red ink, Distress Lumberjack Plaid. And I can't find my little block, so I don't know where that is on my desk. It is here somewhere. So we just go on random. That's what a stamped background is all about. Alright. Part of it over here, and then let's go pencils in the way. Get it to run off the edge of it, and then actually while we're there we'll just go like that and like that and like that. Right, now where's the white? Now I have to fish around and try and find my whites. So I've got everything picked out, ready to go. It's a matter of figuring out where I want it on the layout, so to speak. And you know what? I don't know why I just did that. We need to pull in another colour. I don't know why I just did that either. What does... No, I don't want those. What have we got? We want... Oh, that's in the wrong section for starters. One lipstick would work. Right, so we're going to go with one of these little butterflies first. One butterfly first. Go with just worn lipstick. Go the way there. Don't really mind which way they're going. Let's make our way up this way. What's under there? It just doesn't feel right. Turn this upside down. Then let's come in off like that. Sideways, and then we need to come in off the side, that side. Sorry, I'm moving this around every which way. Right, so that's that one done. Okay, now what colour could we go? As long as that's warm lipstick. I haven't really got my colours worked out, have I? Picked raspberry, let's go in with a bit of pink. Hot pink. This guy can be hot pink, or this butterfly. Right. Yeah, that looks good. That's a nice different colour. Just try and go. Let's see what we can do along the bottom first. These. One coming off the page, one can come there. It's just a matter of filling it in where there's a space, not worrying about which direction we're flying. Well, I'm not anyway. Now let's clean that one off, and I think we'll just go to the green with the leaf. Like that. This is looking better. I think I feel like I'm more confident each time I stamp a background now. I don't feel as nervous about doing it now that I've done it quite a few times now. I mean, don't get me wrong, I still get nervous doing it because, as you can see, I just got a line on there from the ink being on the block. Try and mask that like so. As you know, I start concentrating, I go quiet. It's a bit scary, isn't it? I've been outside mowing all day, so I'm a bit late doing this. Let's give that another wipe. I would have had it done sooner, but we've been outside. We're taking advantage of the nicer weather because it's meant to turn again on us. which isn't great. Yeah, I quite like that. I, believe it or not, thought of this morning at 3:30. Thought I don't have a clue what I'm going to do for stamped background, and I need to make it fit in with Paper Crafters YouTube hop that's, you know, November Nature. And then I thought of this, and I thought, you know what? That's what we're doing. Now, I'm going to pop that on there like so. I've cut this out. I've used my big Creative Memories cutting, but I've used I went on the inside and used my blue blade to cut this circle. I'm doing this now before my fingers later on tonight decide they don't want to work from all the gardening that we've done today. Right. I don't think that, where's my other little bit? It's my butterfly going across. I'm just making this up as I go, guys. I want to be able to notice that that is still a circle. Pop a banner there. Yeah, these are all fussy cuts that I've cut out. I think Elisa used a different one, but I'm going to use that green one there. She used this big red one. Which probably does go. This guy's going to go here because there's another bit of... Okay, well, I'm kind of liking how that's going, so let's get that down. And then we'll get our design board and start putting the embellishments where we think we might like them. If I can, oh, please cooperate. I start getting a bit rushed and hot and flustered, and signs, it doesn't want to come off. Right. I have inked around all the edges in green just to make the paper stand out just that little bit more. Right. They're going to go on like that. This guy's going to go here like so. So I'm going to get that banner popped down because I might pop him up on foam tape is what I'm trying to get out. So this is when my daughter first got her big girl's bike. And, right, so let's get our design board. This is also from Scrapbook Fantasies. So, pop my layout there. Get this guy out. And pop my, looks like there's something underneath. Oh, only because I left that there. I thought there was something underneath. This goes in the square, so there's actually, still feels like there's something under there, doesn't it? Must just be the thing underneath. So this is going to go And then we're going to go, this guy's going to sit on the chipboard that's going to go down there. And so we'll go, I want the boot or the cup. Label that's okay. Did I put it away? That's another mushroom. Yeah, so we're over there. I thought so. Sorry, guys. Okay. Stuff go up there. I don't know what that was. There. I've got 3 mushrooms. I think I'll pop that big on there like so. I think there's some little flowers in here. Pop in there like that. Okay, let's go with that for now. So let's just pop that to the side for a second. Don't move. So that's there. So these, let me just make it. Just want to know where that went. My chair is making a noise today every time I move. It means grease and I'm squeaky. So Elisa at Scrapbook Fantasy designs all these papers, all these embellishments. It is all pretty much made in store except for the papers. They are printed at the printery up in Queensland. So it's all Australian based. Australian based and made and designed. Right, I need to make it's going to be dry enough. Oh, stop squeaking. I painted the chipboard pieces red. And I want to go down there like so. So, let's grab our tweezers so that I can just get the glue on there. And not lose it like that. Okay. I got the shakes, so please bear with me. Right next to that. Like that. And you're the sweetest. Let's just come back in with the design board for a second. I'm going to pop up here. I think I want it up there. Okay. So we'll get that stuck on because they're down. So I'll just hope that's... Now I've made photos fall down and I've got a right mess, I can tell you. Or tell you, should speak proper English. Instead of slang. I quite often will be watching the television and an Australian actress will come on as a couple. And I think, where the heck did you learn to speak? I hate that ad. I don't know if you guys have seen it in America or where. And it says, oh, something about putting a shrimp on the Barbie. You know, where the bloody hell are ya? We don't even talk like that down here. Come on. We don't call it shrimp, we call it prawns. And we definitely don't talk like that. So, you know, makes you wonder where some of these people learn to speak English. You know what? I think Elisa actually had her little gnome there, but I'm going to pop my little gnome up here. That's what I'm going to do. And he's going to go up on foam. Because I think with the title up there, it just leaves a bit of bareness. And really, you've got to look at it. You've got to like your layout that you do. Because I can guarantee you I can't find the screenshot that I took from that class. I don't know what I've done with it. So he's going to sit on top of that border there like that. Okay. So we'll go down with our big... We'll put him down flat. When I say Elisa actually did, I'm pretty sure her embellishment cluster was a lot better. But I'm just going with what I like, and today, because I can't remember what she actually did and where she put things, and I couldn't seem to get the video to fast forward to the end, because I've watched it all, and I'm sure I took a screenshot. Do you think I can find it? No. Put some of those ladybugs in there too. Come on. Right, let's go like this. I'm going to go there like so. Maybe I might go like that with You're the Sweetest. No. Was there any smaller strawberries in that? Not really. They're all quite large. It's a big. The Sweetest. I don't want a little mouse. Maybe that little mouse, that could be quite cute. Now I'm changing my mind. Oh, prerogative. Got that. We don't need those. Don't need that one. That's too big. That's too big. Maybe I have snail up there on the pot. Right, let's leave the mouse. Let's just change this little cluster up a little. Let's just stick a mushroom there. You know what, guys? I actually like that. Right, please don't fall off and move my clusters. I'm going to pop this here like so. That little mouse. I just had a thought for the little mouse. Maybe the little mouse could go there like so. Let's see if I can cut that. There's a little bit of coloured cards in there still. I need to cut that bit out. And I'm not great with a craft knife, but we'll see what we can do. You probably can't even see what I'm doing, but hopefully you can. I haven't got quite good enough off. There. I have to find the lid to my craft knife. Let's stick our little mouse down there. Maybe he could go up on a piece of foam. As if he's about ready to go in his house. Alright. So we're going to go. I did stick that down. I was thinking, gee, did I actually stick that down? So like that. Because I knew I wanted to use this collection, and I knew that there was like these little mushroom things in there. And I thought, oh, what stamps could I use? And then I remembered that I had a mushroom stamp. And that's pretty much how this is created, is from that thought process. Thinking this was a collection I wanted to use. And then thinking from there. And, you know, it all happens at 3 o'clock in the morning. You know, when you've needed to get up and go to the toilet and you're thinking, what am I going to do for that? Cool, my brain was overloaded, I think. I mean, I got a fair few videos done yesterday because I didn't do housework. Maybe I'll just go like that. Oh, that's my butterfly. I didn't put that on. And then over at Rediscover Your Stash, I think Sarah's got stash busting on at the moment for this month, for the month of November, being anything to do with nature. So leaves, use up stash that's got leaves or wood grain or something like that in it. Oh, how did I have that one going? So if we go, Anyway, something different yet again from me. You guys know I like to try new things. And yes, I did start out with a circle underneath, but it's kind of getting hidden a little. Okay. That one goes there. I wanted it to look like they were growing out of the pot. I don't know if it does look like that. I'm hoping it does. And then we'll go on with our pot. And then sometimes when you get things stuck down, you think, oh, I don't know if that's really where I want that to go. There. Like this. If I can pull it up without tearing anything. I think I'll pop it there. Then the snail, so it looks like it's trying to eat the flowers coming off the top of the pot. Like so. There we go. I think that's my layout done. Right, pop that all in the little baggie again so I don't lose them. There we go. Here's my knife lid. Quite happy with how that's turned out. Okay, so I'll put our inks up so that they're out of the way for us. Not up there. I have a mess everywhere. Okay, so this is my layout done, except we probably need some Nuvo drops on there. What do you reckon? We go that colour, I think. Or we go this red colour. Let's go the red instead of the pink. We'll just finish our clusters off. Let's just go either side of Mr. Nomi. There we go, that'll do. I could actually come down here. Right. Okay, so if you think you might like to have a go at something like this, please press pause, take a screenshot and have a go. At the same time, if you do like what I've come up with, if you could give me a thumbs up, that would be really appreciated. Thank you so very much. Now, down below in the description box, I am going to put the playlist and the list of everyone playing along with Stamp It Like It's Hot, the list of everyone playing along with Paper Crafters Nature November YouTube Hop, and I'll pop Scrapbook Fantasies Facebook group and website down there for you to check out. They do post internationally, or ship internationally, and they are very easy to deal with, and their products are gorgeous. Now these bits here, they're not colour cuts. I actually have fussy cut all them out of a piece of paper, so out of one of the design paper, and some of the paper is like Just got to pull it out. So it's got green on the back for half. And then fussy cuts for half. Oh, there was some littler ones. Oh, well. Oh, there's no little strawberries. That's all right. So there you go. And that is my stamped background using my kit. And I'm happy with that. I think that's come up quite heaps better than when I've stamped a background before. So anyway, something different. So go and check everyone out down below in the description box. Show them some love. Subscribe to them if you're not already. And send them a comment. Something you like about their layout. It might just be the colours. I've got a spot there. I could have put a stamp. It might be the colours. It might be the colour of the product that they've used. It might be that they've, I don't know, something good about their layout that you like. It goes a long way to help people realise that, okay, people do like what I'm doing. It's not just for nothing, because I have heard of a few ladies who really were thinking of giving up completely because they just are not getting any feedback whatsoever. A kind comment goes a long way to some people, and it really makes a difference. Also, if you're new to my channel, I do hope I've done enough for you to consider subscribing. Go and check everybody out. Check Scrapbook Fantasies out. They do lives of a Friday night and then have special weekends and things. And there's lots of fun things over there. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for sticking with me to the end with changing my mind. And I love you all. See you next time. Happy scrapping and stay safe. Bye for now.